everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa mga Aquarius in August 2024. So, simulan natin sa inyong general forecast. Susundan to ng career, money, relationships, tapos advice cards. Kamusta ang mga Aquarius? Anong nangyayari sa inyo ngayon? Ano kaya? Anong meron, no? Medyo late kasi tayo ngayon, no? Sa August 2024. Pero, kahit anong mangyari, ibibigay ko sa inyo ang reading ninyo. Because, kung kailan nyo mababasa to is when you actually need it. Okay? Okay. Ang hirap palasahin ng inyong cards, anong meron. So let's see, no? Welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel na ito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Alright? Anong meron? Anong meron? Ito na, nakikita na natin, guys. Aquarius, you have the Hierophant, and this is you coming into August 2024 na parang meron kayong sinusundan bang tao or maybe ikaw mismo parang sobra kang stick sa inyong mga ways na parang walang ibang pwedeng magbago sa inyo. Laging kung ano lang yung nakasanayan, yun lang, or kung ano yung sino yung sinusundan ninyo, yun doon lang kayo nakatingin. There is something about you following that, no? And nare-realize mo din naman kasi na parang there are things na kailangan matignan kung paano yung ano bang nangyayari sa relationships mo, ano ba yung nangyayari sa mga tao around you, meron bang hindi fair, meron bang nangyayaring ganyan. So there are things na parang naranasan na, no, or parang napagdaanan or nakitaanan ng mga bagay na needs some kind of attention, and somehow nakaka-apekto yun sa'yo ngayon. That's why you are being this Hierophant. Okay? But in August 2024, I see you as the Knight of Cups, and ikaw itong parang kailangan parang nagkakaroon ka ng realization to go out of kung nasaan ka ngayon, and to actually move to be this better person. Hindi ko naman sinasabing ang bad nyo noon, no? Aquarius. Hindi yun. But this is just you moving from your previous energy to the new one. And this is you actually gumagawa ka ng action, eh. So, ang ganda niya. Okay? Let's see. Ang advice sa inyo is the King of Swords in reverse. This is telling you to be less expressive, but more of less of talking, less of you giving orders, less of you talking to other people, but more of you listening. Ito yung nakikita ko sa inyong parang pinaka-advice. Because kung maintindihan mo daw yung ibang tao, you will be this Empress energy. Loving, understanding, napaka-giving. Parang overall, nagkakaroon ka ng realization sa sarili mo na pwede palang ganito. Okay? Yan ang general mo. Next natin, ang inyong career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading nito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube, and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ito sa mga kilala niyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel para puro blessings lang umiikot sa community natin. Okay? Kuha tayo ng cards for your career and money. Nasaan ba kayo, guys? Saan ba kayo nakikinig or nanunood? Saang parte ng mundo? I wanna know. I'm very curious kung nasaan kayo. Okay? And kung naka-resonate ng itong reading na to, please comment down below. Okay, one more Aquarius. Aquarius, feel ko sa inyo na kailangan nyo ng more na parang lahat kailangan paghandaan. Parang kunyari, you need to speak with some people, you need to do something. Kailangan mong i-ready yung sarili mo to bring out the best. Ito yung pumapasok sa akin. Okay? Wala siya sa baraha. Okay, ito na yung mga cards ninyo. Okay. Alright. Okay, Aquarius. Coming in, you have the Empress energy in reverse. So this is telling me na you are becoming less and less. Parang hindi ka ganoon ka-happy, hindi ka ganoon ka-loving. Ano ba to? Parang you are not so... Parang wala ka sa mood pagdating sa inyong career or money. Ano bang meron? Hindi naman sa wala sa mood eh. Parang more of nasaan yung puso? Nasaan ang motivation? Nasaan ang yung pagiging totoo sa sarili mo when it comes to your work? Kung ano ba yung maganda, ganyan. Kasi parang nagiging mechanical ang feeling nito. In the past kasi parang there has been an energy or na parang naramdaman mo na how can I be better, ganyan, o parang alam mo yun, parang hindi ka masyadong nag-effort siguro, or maybe there are some things na parang feeling mo parang hindi ka masyadong nag-excel, okay, pagdating sa career. There is a situation for you, Aquarius, na magkaroon ng energetic exchange with some people. This is through conversation, this can be through heartfelt communications, and ma-realize mo that, wow, there are more things in common, and there are things na pwede ko pa palang gawin with other people na lahat pareho kayong magiging masaya, or pareho kayong magiging komportable sa mga nangyayari. Parang lahat kayo, parang ano yun, parang hindi pala kailangan na maging puro politika, or simply pwede din na kayo ay makaka-encounter ng people na wow, pwede palang smooth lang. Ganyan. You have the Queen of Swords in reverse as your advice. Kanina ang advice niya is King of Swords in reverse, so ganun pa din. Be more listening and less speaking. Be observant, okay? Because you are slowly parang, kung hindi mo kayang i-change kasi you are slowly losing your intuition, kung ano yung gut feel ninyo, parang nagdi-disconnect kayo doon. So you need to sense, parang be less mechanical and listen to other people, and then mo makikita na ay, may mga na-realize pa ako. Okay? So, relationships. Ano meron sa relationships ninyo? Okay. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube, and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook, okay? Relationships, hindi to kinakailangan na sa partners ninyo, but it's more of kayo mismo sa lahat ng relationships ninyo, okay? May pwede din siyang sa family, pwede din siyang sa workmates, okay? Anybody na meron kang relationship. Let's see anong meron dito. You have the 7 of Wands as you're starting, papasok ng August 2024. Aquarius, nakikita ko sa inyo itong somebody, you, no? Ikaw mismo to, na very protective ka sa sarili mo eh. Very defensive ka din. Na parang minsan pagka may konting nagre-react ka kaagad, or somehow parang nasa-sense mo na parang kailangan may gawin ako, or may nasabi sila na kahit katiting lang eh napapagalaw ka, no, or na-initiate kagad yung emotions mo. So there's something there. Sanay ka kasi, guys, no, Aquarius, sanay ka kasi na parang may confidence ka naman kasi pagdating sa opinions mo. Pero parang sorry. Para kasing masyado kang nag-stick doon sa kakayanan mo. So that's why konting galaw lang, konting kibo lang ay eto ka na, nag-react ka na. But ang maganda, in August 2024, there is a potential energy for you to celebrate things with those people that you care for. Parang magkakaroon ng happy things, ganyan, magkakaroon ng ganun, no? Parang even the small things na bagong pwedeng mangyari ay meron. Okay? So, yun ang maganda. Ang advice sa inyo is to be the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups is telling you to be, parang pagdating sa mga relationships mo, sa mga tao, be more expressive of your good emotions or good intentions. Na parang hindi ako mga away, let's be more parang let's be more nice to other people. Parang ganyan. Kumbaga hindi mo kailangan makipagplastikan, but be more of your authentic self, na parang ilabas mo yung loving person na andyan. Okay? Because yung kaya mo yun gawin, you have the sun here. You have the sun. Everything is so happy. Lahat honest and lahat nagtutulungan, lahat nagiging masaya. And this is good for you. Okay, Aquarius? Kuha na tayo ng advice card mo. Meron po tayong 2024 forecast for your sign sa buong taon. Kung hindi nyo pa yun napapanood, hanapin nyo lang sa videos ko. Yun po yung gabay ninyo sa buong taon. Okay? Ang first card ninyo is employment change. Your career path is leading you in a higher direction with positive changes to support your dreams, priorities, passions, and life purpose. Trust that these changes will help you release the old and welcome the new. You are supported each step of the way. So yung iba sa inyo kailangan na talaga magbago ng ng trabaho, or baka may kailangan kayong simulan na something, no? Simulan nyo na yun, guys. Stairs, direction, and timing. Marami sa inyo is being forced to be this new person and being forced to change something. And minsan mahirap siya. Parang yung stairs. Mahirap umakyat, nakakapagod. But then, saan ka ba papunta? Paakyat, di ba? Okay. Change. Don't scare yourself with the next 40 steps. May kinalaman sa stairs. Okay, all you need is that one next action. You can say to love, or this can be to anybody. Just show me the first step and change me into one who can take it. Okay? Huwag kang matakot sa pagbabago, guys. Huwag kang matakot sa subukan mong umakyat. Okay? So, yan ang reading ninyo for the month of August 2024. Mga Aquarius, naka-resonate ba sa inyo? Yan ang forecast nyo. Subscribe on YouTube, follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin ninyo, dapat mabuti ang inyong desisyon at mabuti ang inyong intention. Okay? See you sa next reading, Aquarius.